Kingston is our final audition. Hard to believe that we'll be in studio soon. Time is really flying. But I wonder if the judges have found anyone who they think will do well in the live shows.
Darling, you got enough for the both of us. So come on, baby, make love to me. When my days look low, pull me in close.
All right, thank you.
Nice, Jada.
Yes.
Nice.
It's not my
Very
favorite
good.
song in the world, but you did a nice job with it.
One word alone just can't express my heart desire. Gratitude for one more day my needs supply. Your warm embrace and tenderness, patience with me through all my mess. It come to one conclusion. You are the best.
That was so controlled. The tone was steady throughout. You were confident. Your favor like you just come from church. So I believe you. It was yes for me, for sure.
Yes, for me too.
So talent comes from all over, and usually they come to us. But this time, we're going to them. I call this the hunt for stars. Why are you hiding from me? Why are you hiding from me? How are you?
I'm okay.
What's your name and where are you from? Marie.
I'm from Kingston.
And what are you selling, baby? Everything?
Everything.
All right, so you know you're here at Digicel Rising Stars, right?
Yes.
And everybody who come in singing.
Yes.
So I'm asking my vendors to sing a song that they like. Come, man. Come, man. Your umbrella hiding your face. Come, let me hold it up for you. Sing any song.
Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. The Bible tells me so.
Remix it now, Marie. Let's say Anthony Miller is right here and you want to impress him. What song would you sing?
Hurry up! Get ready to go. If you want to ride on the morning train, if you want to ride on the morning train, you better hurry up. Hurry up! Get ready to go.
I think she's really running Anthony. I think she's telling Anthony to go about his business, but I miss us, all right? Don't worry about it. Thank you so very much. I hope you sell off everything by the end of the day. You hear? Thanks, Miss Marie. Kingston always has the largest crowd, which means that the mix of contestants turn up.
Though I want away, I know my ride will come true. Yeah. Oh, I just ride and ride again. Make just one ride and then every time. Oh, now I just ride and ride again. Yes, I do. Yeah, I can't help myself but riding along with her.
We like a gimmick. We like when somebody sits down and thinks about ways to entertain people. You entertained us. I think you're going to be riding off into the sunset. Not happy today. I don't know.
Yeah, it was very entertaining, very funny, and all of this horse business, very funny. Everybody was laughing, and that's fine. But then it's not a comedy show; it's a singing competition, right? So
I'm singing.
yeah, you're singing like a horse. And this is not a horse singing contest. But big up yourself, man. You are so good, but not today. Not today. Huh?
I can sing the other
Oh, no more space in the stable today. Thank you.
Me look good, me smell good, me a good dad, me think up there, me a wife, material. Come here.
I just recognized you. You come different though. You come.
Yeah, more atta.
More atta. Remind us of your name.
Good as. My name is William Douglas Pence, but I'm the song is good as.
Okay, so you come with a different good as song.
Yeah, different song. Amen.
Any bun in this song?
It's next to it, but I look go down. Like next to it. This is love rain. This is love rain. Fall on love so badly. Give me treatment, give me treatment.
Hey, 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 hey! Give her treatment, give her treatment. What?
Treatment,
What?
treatment.
Oh, give you triplets.
Treatment.
Oh, treatment. So what do you think? What do you think Anthony is gonna say when you say, come baby? What do you think Anthony is gonna say when you say, give me love, give me triplets? What do you think Anthony is gonna say?
You're gonna love it, cause you're gonna love the song. You're gonna love the
You're gonna really.
Yeah, I'm doing triplet, three baby. Yeah.
This is your year.
This is my year.
Are you Digicel Rising Star for 2017?
This year I plan for this year. I'm gonna win it this year.
Okay.
Yeah, that girl win it and come that way with it last year. But I plan to win it this year.
All right, my
Yes,
darling.
yes.
Why you do me that? You should not do me that. You make me feel like an angel. I feel high into the sky. You make me real. No one want to see us together.
Yeah, Julian, I hope you find the man of your dreams, but I doubt it. Anyway, thanks. We'll pass.
Do or die, but I'll be bravest as long as you're here. As long as you're here, don't even care if I'm falling down.
Let me guess. Let me guess. Michael Jackson is one of your biggest inspirations. I wonder how I know. I want to know how I know. And if they say, for example, in mid-sentence, give me another song, or give me a song that we know, what would you sing?
You're not alone. I am here with you. Although you're far away, I am here to stay.
Oh, yes.
So I am feeling there's no ceiling, only sky eyes when you look me in the eyes.
King Akeem, that performance wasn't royal. Yeah, not today, Papa.
That faded. It faded and it faded fast.
Butter blank for your mama, lighter for your mama. The letter you better pull up the one for your mama. Proud of your mama, sing loud for your mama. Yeah, I make sure know you're happy. She bring you come here. From your heart, let me sing this one. From I love your mama like this man. There's no one like my mama, no.
Thank you. Thanks.
No.
Thanks. I like your energy. You communicate with the crowd really well. The mama song really didn't kind of move me one way or the other, but I would take a chance on you.
'Cause I surrender everything to feel the chance to live again. I reach to you. I know you can feel it too. We'll make it through 1,000 dreams. I still believe. I make you give them all to me. I hold you in my arms and never let go. I surrender.
Very nice.
Nice girl.
You little powerhouse, you're so little bit and it's big, strong voice. Awesome, one of the best performances today by far.
Yeah, who'd have thought? She's so tiny.
Yes, so good.
Big voice. Nice.
Yes.
Nice job.
Okay, guys, so Danielle is the epitome of little but taller. She's not this tall. We just happen to put her on some steps. How are you, sweetheart?
I'm okay.
Is it your first time entering?
No, this is the second time actually.
Okay, how